Today we will see about Masters in Abroad MS timeline. Most of the students know they should take GRE, TOEFL and submit application to the various universities to apply for the Masters in Abroad. But they don't know which timeline they should follow for taking the GRE, for taking the TOEFL, for submit applications at the various universities. So today we will look into that. So you are here at beginner level. You have to complete your MS abroad. You have to start your journey to MS abroad. So let's look into that. Then you should also know that there are two semesters, fall semester and spring semesters. Fall semester generally starts from the August to September and spring semester starts from the Jan to Feb. If you want to apply for the fall semester, then the admission starts from the October to December of the previous year. And generally the fall semester there will be more crowd and more opportunities like more scholarships, more research interns, more degree, more crowd. And for spring there will admission is from Feb to April of the previous year, and obviously there will be less crowd, less opportunities. So if you want to apply for the fall, then you should ready to submit application at October to December of the previous year. What application you should submit? GRE scores, TOEFL, IELTS mark sheet, university-wise SOP draft, letter of recommendation from your university professors, official transcripts of your all semesters, resume, financial documents. These all s- documents you should ready with you at October to December 20 before the applying your application. If you want, you can note down these things. Before that, August to September of the previous year, you should start documenting your process. Like apply for the college transcript, draft SOP. Statement of purpose is very necessary for the admission at abroad. Approach professor for LORs, letter of recommendation. Take TOEFL IELTS test. Before that, May to July of the previous year, apply for the internship, work on self-initiated college project. You have already the final year project of BE, but you should also start self-initiated project, certificate related to post-graduation. The domain in which you want to do post-graduation, you should have some knowledge in that. Paper publication, there are a lot of scope in the paper publication nowadays. Take part in extracurricular activities. So May to July of the previous year, you should do profile building of yourself. So the same question again, when should I start your GRE preparation? You must start your GRE preparation from December to January of the previous year. If you want to apply for the universities and want to study MS at 2022, then you should start GRE preparation from the Jan 2021. So obviously you can take the exam on the May June, and that is your profile building. That is your profile building time. So please remember that you should start your GRE preparation 1 year ago. I hope I have solved your questions with this video. If you're still having any doubts, then please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.